Hi everyone, Rocking Dan Teaching Man here with an unpackaging video. Yes, this is the third in the series. Yesterday I did the unboxing video of the Rocking Dan Teaching Man mug. Great, looks fantastic. Very impressed with it. Wraps around, and that's you can get that at my Redbubble store. Imagine having that in the staff room, drinking your tea or coffee or hot chocolate. Amazing. Also, the Rocking Dan Teaching Man t-shirt was the first unpackaging video. It looks fantastic, and that's in adult sizes and kids sizes, so fantastic. And the last unpackaging video in this series is for the Rocking Dan Teaching Man stickers. So they've come in this package. I'm going to unpack them now. Haven't seen them yet. Just get there. All right, let's pull them out. Oh wow, how good is that? So it's the same as the t-shirt design, and you can stick that on books or pencil cases or anything where you would like. You know, your guitar, that might be nice. It's a Rocking Dan Teaching Man sticker. I really like that. And a big shout out to Jen Hart Design. She made the Rocking Dan Teaching Man emoji there. And use some other clip artists to do the background and so on. So, Jen Hart Design also did the font up there. So it looks very effective, very colourful. I love these stickers, and you can get these also from my store, Redbubble store. So the three things that are on sale right now from Redbubble are the stickers, which look fantastic. Yep, the mug, also great, and of course the t-shirt. Okay, so that was a really exciting unpackaging. That's the last in this series. A lot of fun. The Rocking Dan Teaching Man merchandise, the stickers. So until next time, rock on with Rocking Dan, and don't forget to go to my Redbubble store to get these products. And there's going to be a lot more songs coming out soon, some videos. So exciting times ahead for Rocking Dan Teaching Man on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you later. Rock on with Rocking Dan. Bye for now.